po kami abala-abala. Ina-cancel ko po ang schedule ko pag may mga convention na dito gagawin sa Maynila. Sabi ko, kumare, balita ko kasi marami kayo dalang bawang pera. Pwede bang gastusin nyo na dito sa Maynila yan? Because we really wanted to, revive the city's growth because we stunted for the last 3 years. Literally, that's why kami naman aggressive and liberalizing some policies, particularly with the businesses. Rules are what you call, mas madaling maintindihan, parang hindi na masyadong technical. Ease of doing business in the city. Now, through the help of our Vice Mayor, ang Vice Mayor po, pinakamagandang Vice Mayor sa buong Pilipinas. May asin pa. Aking Vice Mayor, Chi Atienza. Through her leadership, curbing some rules and ordinances. And I'm happy, not only happy, but at least, the very least, I am proud. As the Mayor of Manila, with my Director Grace Padilla, and my Director also from respective hospitals. Si Dr. Tan, nakita ko kanina. Dr. Tan, Director namin ng Santa Ana. Si Paz naman, Paz na siya sa DOH. Siya naman namin kinuwang katulong, partner with DOH as our consultant. But what I'm really trying to say is that we're very happy. I think, modesty aside, Manila is the largest local government unit health provider in the country. With running 7 hospitals now. Upcoming na yung pagpito namin. Mapipirmata ng DOH yan pagka nabito yung isang makina. Mag-level 1 na yun. With 44 health centers all over the city and more to come health centers. Reviving the old one who were shut down by my kung sinundan ko. Ay gusto ko po talaga ito na healthcare for the simple reason on what I believe in governance. Your city government, malamang yung iba sa inyo, taga-ibang local government, pero sa totoo yung iba sa inyo umuwi din sa Maynila. O pagdating po ng Manila, ang aming pong pamumuhunan in terms of resources, pagka-staff, ay nakatuon sa MBM, Minimum Basic Needs. And that speaks of housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Yun yun. Yung apat na yun, doon ang malaking bulto ng ating panahon, ng aming maliit na resources, nakalaan, tugunan ang MBM. And that's why healthcare is one of the most spoiled sa city government. Malaki ang demand sa amin, konti resources, pero laging may kilya. Kumbaga sa Saranggola, lamang lagi si Padilla. At ang kanyang mga kasamang direktor in terms of request. Dahil paborito. Mahirap po magkasakit. I, for one, had the experience. Alam niyo siguro, hindi naman kaila sa inyo o kung saan ako nagsimula. At most of the time, pag nagkakasakit ako, nanay ko, at saka yung lolo ko,
kami lagi tumatakbo sa pampubliko hospital. So I am one of those at present today who really needs proper, efficient healthcare program. So, kayong mga nasa iba't ibang dako ng Metro Manila o LGU, kaisa niyo po ang lungsod ng Maynila na patuloy na mamuhunan sa kalusugan ng ating mamamayan. That we guarantee. And I think si Lester at lahat ng ating nasa region, alam nila yan. Kasi mas nadadala sila sa City Hall ngayon. Because we always invite them in our health board session. We wanted them to participate, and we as local government align our direction with regard to national government direction providing healthcare in our country and in our city. So again, ulitin ko, sana mag-stay kayo sa Sheraton. Walang check-in dito. Sayang naman. Mag-stay sa Sheraton. O tapos, pagka medyo may oras pa kayo, punta kayo Esplanade. Doon sa Pasig River, magmuni-muni kayo doon. O pagkatabi nun, may Arceros Park. Pagka nagutom naman kayo, marami kayong mapipili ang chicha doon. Pagka gusto nyo naman na maka-experience ng aming mga pagkain sa kalsada, mura na, malinis pa. We make sure of that. Because your city government started recognizing this level or type of industry, or what we call underground economy, by regulating them and supporting them in our own legal way. So, kung pamilyar kayo sa tumbong, kung kumakain kayo ng tumbong, agto, at lechon, halika kayo sa Ugbo, Velasquez Tondo. Huwag kayo mag-alala, ligtas kayo makakauwi. Kung gusto niyo naman fusion, you go to Campanao. As we speak, we still have about 4 hours to experience street food safe and clean in Campa de los Reyes, likod ng UST. Ngayon naman, kung may kabig kayo, safe na po kayong bumalik at magpagulong-gulong sa damuhan ng Burnham Green sa Luneta. Katulad ng ginawa ng mga nanay natin. Welcome po kayo sa lungsod ng Maynila. Well, thank you very much, dear family. To all of you, I wish you all the best, and I hope that God will continue to guide and keep you safe every now and then, doing public service to our people. Magandang gabi at pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong Megapal. Manila! God first. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Mayor Isko Moreno, for those encouraging words and of course for gracing us tonight. Maraming salamat po.
Masyado malapit. Hop, pares pala. Okay po, ikaw na mag-view.
Okay. Okay everyone, tingin po sa camera. On my cue, 1, 2. Video tayo guys, wave lang po tayo. Okay, on my cue ulit. 1, 2, 3. Wave lang tayo everyone, wave.